Hello guys, in this video we're going to see how the integration between OpenAI and Google Sheet can be very powerful. In this very example we are going to examine the sentiment analysis of a handful of reviews about the dog hoodie. So first of all, let's generate reviews about a dog hoodie. I don't want all the reviews to be positive. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT can come up with. Okay. I'm not going to take them all. I'm just going to take the top 10. So I can show you the example, how it works. Okay, let's take, for example, 14. It's fine. Okay, now let's go to Google Sheets. I'm going to copy these reviews, just like this. Clear formatting, wrap the text. Now it looks neat and cozy. Okay, cool. Now what I wanted to do is to go to platform.openai.com, go to your personal account, view your API keys, and create a new secret key. Copy it, because you are going to need to pass it later. Keep it aside, for example, like here. And then now let's go to Google Sheet. Let's click on extensions, go to AppScript, and call our file, for example, OpenAI Runner. Okay, now let's go to our ebook and copy the script of this chapter. All right, so let's go back to OpenAI Runner, copy paste. Okay, in the ebook, you're going to find it like this, API key. Okay, but what you are going to do, you are going to replace it like that and add quotes so it is recognizable by the code. Now we are going to save it. Save project, go back to our Google Sheet and start using this function. The function name is run OpenAI. So in Google Sheet, what we do to execute a function, we click on equals, okay, run OpenAI. First argument will be the prompt. What is the sentiment of this review? Then we type colon, and we type the cell A1. Look, it will give us the feedback. It's positive. It's the sentiment analysis. It's either positive, neutral, or negative. Okay, cool. So now what we are going to do, we are going to insert a chart. Look, we have an idea about the reviews of our customers. 50% say positive feedback about our product, 42% or 43% approximately say negative feedback, and 7% are neutral. So did you notice how much powerful this tool is? You can use it. You can use this API integration for sentiment analysis, for market competition, benchmarking your competitors, creating content automatically. For example, we can have in the first column, we can have topics to cover on our social medias, and in the second column, we can have a function that generates the content for every topic. It's huge. So guys, see you soon in the next video.